In today's video, we're going to make our own Peace and Calm roller bottle and learn why you need to know how to make this fantastic do-it-yourself product for your home. Please like, share, and subscribe. This recipe contains all natural ingredients which possess properties that promote feelings of peace and calm when experiencing stress or anxiety. Alright, let's get to it. Recipe number 1. 3 drops of marjoram essential oil, 4 drops of lavender essential oil, 3 drops of wild orange essential oil, 2 drops of frankincense essential oil. Recipe number 2. 2 drops of wild orange essential oil, 4 drops of YLANG essential oil, 4 drops of patchouli essential oil, 2 drops of copaiba essential oil. Recipe number 3. 2 drops of lemongrass essential oil, 4 drops of geranium essential oil, 4 drops of wild orange essential oil, 2 drops of frankincense essential oil. Marjoram essential oil supports good digestion and hormone balances. Lavender essential oil is an antioxidant, antibacterial, and antifungal. It can also improve blood circulation and reduce inflammation. Wild orange essential oil is an antioxidant and antibacterial. It can increase energy and focus. Frankincense essential oil supports cell regeneration, digestion, and inflammation reduction. It also may increase concentration and focus. YLANG essential oil supports inflammation reduction and blood circulation. Patchouli essential oil is an antiseptic, antioxidant, antibacterial, and antifungal. It can ease digestive upset and increase mental awareness. Copaiba essential oil is antibacterial and a mood enhancer. Lemongrass essential oil is a natural deodorizer and cleanser. It has antioxidant and antiseptic properties. Geranium essential oil supports hormone balances, blood circulation, and cell growth. It also supports against inflammation. All the above essential oils support peace and calm in the mind and body. First, we need 1 10 milliliter glass roller bottle, 9 milliliters of fractionated coconut oil. Coconut oil is a deep moisturizer and absorbs quickly. It's an antioxidant and is antifungal. First, add your desired essential oil combination to roller bottle. Then add coconut oil. Place roller ball and lid on bottle. Shake well and apply to temple, back of neck, and/or forehead. It's just that easy. Thanks for watching, and remember, subscribe, comment, and ring that bell for more wellness content at The Essential Journey, restoring the mind, body, and home with the power of nature.